To find daily copper pricing information online, several resources are available. The London Metal Exchange, or LME, offers daily pricing information for copper. The LME is a major global marketplace for trading metals, and their website provides up-to-date data on copper prices. You can visit their website and navigate to the section dedicated to non-ferrous metals, where you will find detailed information on copper pricing. Another resource is the Copper Index website. This website focuses specifically on copper and provides an index of copper prices from various sources. It allows you to track copper price movements and access historical data. Metal Bulletin is another option for accessing copper price information. Metal Bulletin is a well-known source of pricing data for metals and other commodities. Their website provides copper prices, along with market analysis and news related to the copper industry. Fastmarkets also offers information on copper prices. Fastmarkets is a price reporting agency that provides pricing data and analysis for various commodities, including copper. Their website offers access to copper prices and market insights. Reuters is a well-known news and financial information provider. They offer copper prices and market news on their website. You can find information on copper prices, market trends, and news related to the copper industry on their website. Investing.com is a financial website that provides information on various commodities, including copper. Their website offers copper prices, charts, and analysis. You can use Investing.com to track copper price movements and stay informed about market developments. When using these resources, it is important to understand that copper prices can fluctuate due to a variety of factors, including supply and demand, economic conditions, and geopolitical events. It is important to consider these factors when interpreting copper price data and making investment decisions. To effectively use these resources, one should firstly identify the specific data points that are most relevant to the task. For example, are you interested in the spot price of copper, futures prices, or historical price trends? Secondly, familiarize yourself with the different units of measurement used to quote copper prices. Copper prices are typically quoted in US dollars per metric ton or US dollars per pound. Thirdly, pay attention to the source of the data. Different sources may use different methodologies for calculating copper prices, so it is important to understand the source's methodology before relying on their data. Fourthly, consider the time frame of the data. Are you interested in daily, weekly, monthly, or annual copper prices? Make sure that the data you are using covers the time frame that you are interested in. Fifthly, be aware of any fees or subscriptions that may be required to access the data. Some sources may offer free access to basic copper price data, while others may require a subscription to access more detailed data or analysis. Sixthly, use multiple sources of data to get a comprehensive view of copper prices. Different sources may provide different perspectives on the copper market, so it is important to consider multiple sources of information before making any decisions. Seventhly, stay up to date on the latest news and events that could affect copper prices. Factors such as supply disruptions, changes in demand, and geopolitical events can all have a significant impact on copper prices. Eighthly, consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions based on copper price data. A financial professional can help you assess your risk tolerance and develop an investment strategy that is appropriate for your individual circumstances. Copper is a widely used metal with various applications, including electrical wiring, plumbing, and industrial machinery. Understanding copper pricing can be valuable for businesses and investors involved in these industries. Copper prices are influenced by several factors, including supply and demand, economic growth, and geopolitical events. Increased demand from emerging markets such as China and India can drive up copper prices. Economic growth in developed countries can also increase demand for copper. Supply disruptions, such as mine closures or strikes, can reduce the availability of copper and push prices higher. Geopolitical events, such as trade wars or political instability in copper-producing countries, can also impact copper prices. The London Metal Exchange, or LME, is a major trading centre for copper. The LME sets daily reference prices for copper, which are widely used as benchmarks for pricing copper contracts around the world. The LME copper price is influenced by supply and demand, as well as by trading activity on the exchange. The copper index is another source of copper price information. The copper index tracks copper prices from various sources and provides an average price. The copper index can be a useful tool for tracking overall copper price trends. Metal Bulletin provides news, analysis, and pricing information for the global metals market. Metal Bulletin's copper price assessments are widely used in the industry. Fastmarkets provides pricing, news, and analysis for the global commodities markets. Fastmarkets copper price assessments are used by buyers and sellers around the world. Reuters provides news and financial information, including copper prices. Reuters copper price coverage includes spot prices, futures prices, and market analysis. Investing. Com provides financial news, data, and analysis, including copper prices. Investing. Com's copper price charts and data can be useful for tracking copper price movements. Copper prices are subject to volatility due to various market factors. Supply and demand imbalances can cause significant price fluctuations. Economic uncertainty can also lead to volatility in copper prices. Geopolitical events can also impact copper prices. Monitoring copper prices regularly can help businesses and investors make informed decisions. By staying up to date on copper market trends, you can better understand the factors that influence copper prices and make more informed investment decisions. It is essential to consult with financial professionals and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions related to copper or the commodities.